Hugs are more than just a simple gesture of affection. They are a basic human need that can provide us with a sense of connection, comfort, and support. But did you know that hugging also has many scientific benefits for your health and happiness? In this video, we explore the many compelling reasons why we crave these human embraces, while identifying 5 different types of hugs and what they mean. Hugs are a powerful form of non-verbal communication. They convey a range of emotions, from love and affection to empathy and support, in a way that words often fall short. During times of sadness, grief, or stress, a hug can offer a sense of security or understanding, saying, "I'm here for you," "I understand," or "I'm proud of you," without needing a single syllable. Hugging triggers the release of oxytocin and other hormones that can lower blood pressure, heart rate, and cortisol levels, leading to a feeling of calm and relaxation. This natural stress reliever can help us cope with daily challenges and support our immune function indirectly. By reducing stress, hugging can also promote better sleep quality and healthy lifestyle choices, both of which contribute to a stronger immune system. Oxytocin is also closely linked to bonding and trust. This powerful hormone helps strengthen relationships, creating a sense of closeness and understanding that transcends words. For infants and young children, whose brains are still developing, hugs are more than just gestures. They're vital for fostering secure attachment styles, emotional regulation, and healthy brain development. But the power of hugs doesn't fade in childhood. Throughout life, these simple embraces connect us to others on a deeper level. The gentle pressure and warmth of a hug may stimulate the release of endorphins, the body's natural pain relievers. While more research is needed to fully understand this connection, the emotional comfort and perceived reduction in pain offered by a hug can be especially helpful for emotional or social distress. From an evolutionary perspective, hugging and physical touch may have played a crucial role in the survival of our early hominid ancestors. Living in close-knit hunter-gatherer societies, strong social bonds formed through shared experiences and physical contact offered numerous benefits. Beyond protection against predators, cooperation for food gathering and child rearing became easier with trust and empathy fostered by physical touch. While our environment has drastically changed over the years, the deep-seated need for physical touch and social connection remains relevant today. The way we hug and the meaning we attribute to it varies greatly across cultures. In some cultures, hugs are a common greeting, even among strangers. In other cultures, hugs are reserved for close relationships and intimate settings. Understanding these cultural differences is crucial to avoid misinterpretations and ensure respectful interactions. Here's a peek into 5 common types of hugs and their hidden meanings. The bear hug is a full-bodied embrace with arms wrapped tightly around the other person. Often accompanied by a happy squeal or excited chatter, it signifies deep love, reunion, and genuine joy. Picture 2 best friends reuniting after a long time apart. Their bear hug expresses overwhelming happiness and the sheer delight of being together again. The side hug is more casual and friendly than the bear hug. The side hug involves wrapping one arm around the other person's shoulder or waist. It's often used with acquaintances, colleagues, or friends you haven't seen in a while. This hug strikes a balance between friendly affection and maintaining personal space, conveying a sense of camaraderie and comfort. The back hug often speaks volumes about trust, intimacy, and a desire for closeness. It can be a comforting gesture during times of sadness, offering support and reassurance. In romantic relationships, it can express possessiveness, affection, and a feeling of wanting to be together. The one-armed hug is a quick and light hug, commonly used between colleagues, acquaintances, or even strangers as a brief greeting or acknowledgement. The one-armed hug conveys a sense of casual connection and friendliness without being overly intimate. The dance hug consists of a mild sway back and forth while holding each other close. The dance hug exudes joy, passion, and a romantic connection. It's often seen between couples and signifies deep affection, intimacy, and playfulness. The gentle movement adds a touch of flirtation and fun to the embrace. Hugging is a simple but powerful way of expressing your emotions and improving your health. So the next time you see someone you care about, don't hesitate to reach out and offer a hug. It might just be the best medicine you can give yourself and others. If you liked this video, send us a digital hug in the comments below. Additionally, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. See you in the next video.